Unlocking the Power of ChatGPT, a Beginner's Guide. In today's digital age, artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming how we interact with technology. ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI chatbot, stands out as a versatile tool capable of boosting productivity and enhancing learning. This video serves as your introductory guide to harnessing the full potential of ChatGPT. First, let's understand what ChatGPT is. It's an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, trained on a massive dataset, making it incredibly knowledgeable across various fields. Think of it as having an expert consultant readily available at your fingertips. Now, let's explore its key features. ChatGPT excels at generating text, answering questions, writing different kinds of creative content, translating languages, and even writing various kinds of computer code. Its versatility extends to summarizing information and brainstorming ideas. The key to effective use lies in formulating clear and specific prompts. The more precise your instructions, the more accurate and relevant the results will be. Experiment with different phrasing and keywords to refine your queries. For example, instead of asking, "Write a story," try, "Write a short science fiction story about a robot who discovers emotions." Remember to utilize ChatGPT iteratively. Start with a broad prompt, then refine it based on the initial response. This iterative approach allows you to progressively shape the AI's output to perfectly match your needs. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different approaches and explore the various capabilities of ChatGPT. Its learning curve is surprisingly gentle, and the rewards are substantial. As you become more comfortable, you'll discover how to leverage its capabilities for diverse tasks, from crafting compelling marketing copy to generating creative writing pieces. ChatGPT is more than just a tool. It's a collaborative partner in your creative and professional endeavors. So, explore, experiment, and unlock the power of ChatGPT to enhance your productivity and creativity. This is just the beginning of your journey into the world of AI-powered assistants. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!